I can see around 76 participants here. So Dr. Swapnil Kare has given me the opportunity to be here and speak about firstly Digital India 2021. So that we started on the 1st of May. And I really appreciate the efforts of JJT University. Also the student. I'm a PhD scholar from JJT University. So I extend thank you to Dr. Madhu Madam, Dr. Anju Madam, and Dr. Swapnil Kale for having me here. And I also thank Vivekanand College because I am from Department of Electronics and I have number of papers coming up in this conference from my department as well as from the EXTC department from my college. So I'm here to talk about. Swapnil had told me the topic why we need to publish journals in the UGC Care or Scopus. Why not some any other journals? So my basic topic is paper publication. So I'm supposed to throw light on to the students on why UGC Care. So and when do we start doing these journals? So I come to the, so please change the slide for me. So when should I start writing the process? What research I should do? When should I start writing my research papers? So first thing is what I need to tell you is first you decide what is your domain. So decide your domain. What assignment your teacher has given you? What is your domain? Say I am interested in automobiles. So car simulation. So talk about that simulation, then go into detail in that topic. So you just get your assignment to be clarified. Then you think about I have to manage this task. Say I'm talking about automobiles. Then I'm talking about in automobiles what? Basically, what in automobiles? I being an electronic engineer, I'm going to talk about the front panel in automobiles. So front panel automobile consists of the dashboard. So dashboard, I'm going to talk about some sensors. Now there are some reverse parking sensors. Some I need for reverse. For taking my car in reverse, I require some camera to be there and so on. So these sensors, if I'm going to talk about, these sensors will manage. How will I manage time then? What type of paper will I write? How long will I take to write that paper? So time management. So topic selection, time management. Topic brainstorm. So topic brainstorm indicates I'm talking about a particular topic, but what research has been already done in the topic? Has any white paper come on it? So that you have to check. Then visit your library regularly. So you check if there are any journals on this which have come before, any papers on this which have come before, any materials. So basically, I mean to say it is a literature review. Then you locate the sources. You locate sources. I'm going to get my material. I'm going to get my material from where? Swapnil, I'm not able to see screen.
We can see you, ma'am.
That's fine, but I should be able to see the screen. I am getting an admin screen and my PPT screen is off. So
Just, just bear with us.
I am not able to see screen. Swapnil is sharing screen.
We see you, but not the PPT.
Yes, sir, but yeah. Again, Swapnil is trying to share this screen. Yeah, you are able to see everybody, but then now this is clear. Yeah. So you select your sources, you locate your sources, then you survey the sources. What type of research was done earlier on this? So you select check. Basically, you do survey, find out what was done in this area. Then you focus on your topic. Now, once you suppose I am discussing car sensors. So now I have taken around 25 papers on car sensors. Now, what do I exactly want? So from that, I am going to focus on some particular sensors. Say I'm talking about reverse parking sensors, part one particular area I'm going to check. Then I will read lot of articles. इस पे काम क्या हुआ है? So lot of articles I'm going to read. Then I'll come with my preliminary thesis. Means some kind of small drafting I will start. So preliminary research article, whatever whatever I had. Say I had 50 pages of some work. So I'll just shortlist it into 10 pages, and that I will outline my research. So all this I'm talking about that is about research paper, which is a review paper. Review paper in the sense I am doing literature survey. I'm checking the library. I'm checking books, notes, journals, everything. Checking what was been previously done by the other people, and then I'm trying to draft a paper from all those material which I had collected. Say 100 pages, I will draft something. I'll draft say some 4 or 5 pages, and I'll draft that paper. Then I'll do multiple revisions for that paper. I'll say I have my colleagues here in the same background or different background. So I might tell those are my peers basically. So my colleagues, say my colleague is Dr. Nandini, Dr. Saili, they are my friends in Vivekanand. So I might tell just Nandini, please go through my paper. ये paper है car simulator पे. So you just go through. So this is what is called as peer review. So I am trying to present a paper, draft the paper. I have sent my draft to say Dr. Abhay or Dr. Birazdar or somebody from my department, that is peer review. There might be something called as a blind review. So in blind review, I'll randomly send my paper to some faculty of some other department, and that faculty by Dr. Asari. Now, if he knows that it was, suppose I am sending it to my junior, Swapnil is my junior. I have mentored him कि स्वप्निल मेरा पेपर है तो तुम इसको ठीक से देखो. तो अभी स्वप्निल क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाएगा, माय टीचर्स पेपर. सो ही विल थिंक ओके चलो इसको मैं रिवीजन कैसा बताऊं. हाउ डू आई से कि इसमें इनोवेटिव कुछ भी नहीं है या ये ड्राफ्ट बराबर नहीं है. सो एट दैट टाइम्स यू रिक्वायर समबडी to do a blind review. So that is called as blind review, right? So that is blind review. Then I will, after getting the review from the reviewers, I will do, I will revise my paper. So I'll redraft it and just I'll do the framework again. So redraft the paper and then I'll check now what are the sources which are going to help you. So that is basically the writing process, the flow of your paper. Next slide, Swapnil. Slide change, please. Yeah. So now basically why this conference? Why do you have this conference? Why do you have people to know what research you have done? So basically, as an author, this particular conference, Digital India paper presentation, or what are the objectives of the conference? So the authors should know, they should understand what type of work they are doing, what responsible work they are doing, and what is the responsibility towards society. Now I'll give you an example here. Suppose I'm writing, I want to throw light on in India, mobile tower radiation. So mobile tower radiation के कुछ भी rules नहीं है. People do not know कि ये radiating tower 7th floor building पे या 8th floor building पे क्यों आते हैं, क्या जरूरत है. Now there are towers coming up from Jio, Vodafone. अब ये towers अच्छे हैं या बुरे हैं? Because see one part of people, one set of society will say क्यों problem क्या है? You want a mobile phone, you want a technology. So technology चलेगी तो you need base station antennas, you need the towers. तो towers क्यों नहीं चाहिए? Towers तो चाहिए ना. जब tower होगा, there'll be a mounted antenna, base station है, तभी तो हमको connectivity मिलेगा. Okay, but the other thing to the towers is they radiate. पूरा radiation होता है. So my society has a mobile tower. I don't want it to be because it is on my head. I stay on the 7th floor, and on the 8th floor in the terrace there is a mobile tower which is radiating. So now as an engineer also I know कि इसका radiation level क्या है. So what I'm going to do is I will check the audit. First thing is I will check telecom union से मैं उसका rules regulations देखूंगी mobile tower का. तो क्या telecom union से जो permitted height है, am I following it? So am I बिहेविंग रिस्पॉन्सिबली. तो परमिटेड हाइट पे मैं वो टावर लगा रही हूँ तो उससे कम हाइट पे टावर लगा रही हूँ. और फिर मैं किस लिए कर रही हूँ? फॉर गेटिंग सम मनी टू बी वेरी ग्रीडी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू जियोपार्डाइज द health of my family members. I might get tumor because of that. I might get cancer because of the radiation. So understand your responsibility, understand your work. अभी कुछ भी publish नहीं करना है. So you have to be responsible enough. If I'm talking about a mobile tower और उसका radiation, तो उसका मुझे audit करना है, radiation level देखना है. Actually, I have to take a meter and find out what is the radiation level. Whether my research involves all the norms by ITUT, telecommunication union के जो भी norms है, am I following it? So and then I'm going to share it to the society. So मैं क्या मेरे पेपर में लिखने वाली हूँ कि ठीक है मोबाइल टावर बेस स्टेशन तुम बनाओ पर कहाँ बनाओ. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बिल्डिंग विच इज 22 फ्लोर्स, इन दैट केस अब 23rd फ्लोर पे टावर आ रहा है. सो द फ्लोर्स 22, 23, 24, 25 ये 4 फ्लोर्स पे there is a green colored coating which you are going to apply on the walls now what is the use of this coating? Radiation पहले चार इस पे ही आने वाला है. Radiation is going to come on the first four, top four floors. So I'm going to put a material. I will research and I'll say कि मुझे कोई material लगाना है. Now because of this material मुझे radiation नहीं आता. So this is responsible work. So I'm saying what, ठीक है तुमको बेस स्टेशन चाहिए, तुमको टावर चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए सोसाइटी को, करो, ठीक है, but you coat your building top four floors with that green colored coating which avoids radiation. So this is my research. So I am going to share this research work, share my project to I am sharing the concept. So why go in for a conference? तो ये जो मेरा कंसेप्ट है, मैंने कंसेप्ट क्या बताया, बेस स्टेशन माउंट मत करो, ये मेरा कंसेप्ट नहीं है. अगर मैंने बेस स्टेशन ही माउंट नहीं किया तो एनीबडी विल नॉट हैव अ मोबाइल फोन रेंज. दे वांट बी मोबाइल टावर्स, तो मुझे रेंज कहाँ से मिलेगा? हाउ डू आई कॉल? अभी मुझे जेजेटी में मधु मैडम से बात करना है, व्हाट्सएप करना है, मुझे कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है, तो कैसे चलेगा? So you be responsible for your research work and you have to give your research work back to the society. जो भी हम कर रहे हैं सोसाइटी को वापस देना चाहिए. You explain the outcome. कंडक्ट सर्वे. अभी मुझे मेजर मोबाइल टावर पे करने का है तो मुझे सर्वे करना पड़ेगा, उसका एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा, कंक्लूजन निकालना पड़ेगा, डिस्कशन करना पड़ेगा. तो ये पेपर हुआ प्रॉपर पेपर विच इज नॉट जस्ट रिव्यू बट यू आर पुटिंग इन योर इनपुट्स. उसमें आप ग्राफ्स दिखा रहे हो, मैं रेडिएशन पैटर्न दिखा रही हूँ एंटीना का. आई एम सेइंग आई एम रेडिएटिंग मोर इन द फ्रंट लोब, वेरी लेस इन द बैक लोब एंड लिटिल बिट इन द साइड लोब्स. तो मेरा इस तरह का रेडिएशन पैटर्न है. So I'm conducting surveys, I'm analyzing, I'm providing you with the simulations. Okay, future goals. ये तो एक तो मैंने कर दिया. I'm talking about a Vodafone tower. तो वो तो मैंने कर दिया. What about Jio? Jio भी इसी तरह radiation देगा, right? So तुम्हारा future goal क्या होना चाहिए? So you have already spoken about Vodafone tower. Now you talk about the Jio tower. Okay, so mention future goal. Okay, अभी current paper is over, but any future you have in this paper, whether you are going to just go ahead with this research and so on. So think about and finally give your references. Okay, next slide. Okay, why UGC Care? Now UGC Care is a platform where you get all the journals which are reputed. So if you see this list ahead, JJTU and AFB has a tie-up with 14 UGC Care journals. And these basically journals, सब journal का काम यही है to get good quality papers and they increase your global rank, they increase your weightage. Now getting my paper accepted and submitted in some Tom Dick Harry journal is of no use, right? So either ये unpaid journal हो, अभी journal में भी paid unpaid होता है, तो unpaid है तो और अच्छा है because आपका काम ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Paid है तो still fine, and then how much plagiarism is allowed and all those things. So purpose is to present your work in UGC established journals. So UGC ने क्या किया है, एक they have a central body in Pune. So this central body in Pune, then they have the sub bodies. तो सेंट्रल बॉडी इन पुणे क्या करता है, जितने भी जर्नल्स है उनको भेजे जाते हैं, तो स्कैन करो भाई ये जर्नल कब शुरू हुए, क्या इनका स्टेटस है, तो यू स्कैन दो जर्नल्स एंड देन all the journals, IJRET, IJSR, जो भी journals है, IGR, IME, whatever, all international journals, they're scanned for the UGC Care, and then the ethics are checked. You'll check everything, and after that, if the journal is found to be really good, जर्नल इज रियली गुड मतलब उसका कुछ इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर आता है, जर्नल कोई रिसर्च फोरम पे आया है, उसका इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर आया मतलब जर्नल कंटिन्यूअसली आ रहा है, देयर आर वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ योर जर्नल, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज यूजीसी केयर. सो एकेडमिक एंड रिसर्च इथिक्स. अभी एकेडमिक और रिसर्च इथिक्स का क्या मतलब है? नाउ आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग समबडीज डायग्राम, किसी और का डायग्राम में मेरे इसमें पेपर में डाल रही, सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से, चलो मैंने एक्सरे मशीन का डायग्राम डाला, किसका डाला मैंने, सीमेंस का एक्सरे मशीन का. सो व्हाट आई हैव टू टेक, व्हाट आई हैव टू से, आई हैव टू राइट कर्टसी. तो ये डायग्राम मुझे मिला कहाँ से, मुझे एक्सरे मशीन का डायग्राम सीमेंस के यहाँ से मिला. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इथिक्स, ये मेरा सेल्फ जनरेटेड नहीं है, ये कहाँ से आया है, गोइंग टू राइट. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Yeah, so list of UGC care journals. Okay, so in PhD, as far as JJTU is concerned, they tell you कि go in steps. तो सबसे पहले क्या करो, छोटा छोटा पेपर स्टार्ट करो, start drafting your paper. So they tell you national conference करो, international conference करो, अभी ये हो जाए, then you are confident कि चलो मेरा इतना काम हो चुका है. So once that is over, then you go in for some higher quality of papers as per the UGC guidelines. So you go in for UGC के journals. अभी UGC के journals महंगे हैं, but हर चीज जो महंगी होती है वो अच्छी नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है. So UGC care journals lie somewhere between 6,000 to 8,000, same as your IEEE. So that means the journals are of good quality. Okay. Impact factor. So impact factor of 4.5 is there for nearly all UGC care journals. So what is a better impact factor? Impact factor कम से कम 1 होना चाहिए. 1. Impact factor cannot be 0.5. Impact factor has to be citations divided by number of articles published. That is your impact factor. अभी number of citation क्या है? अभी मैंने कोई पेपर लिखा. I have written a paper on sensors, application of sensors. Now some researchers feel कि okay, Asawari madam का ये पेपर हमको देखना चाहिए. Application of sensors. So what you do? You Google आसावरी दुधवाड़कर application of sensors. Google किया फिर उसमें से कुछ आपको काम का लगा. Then you have taken it as a reference. You have cited that paper and written it as a reference. So like that is called as the citation. और कितने लोग आके मेरा जर्नल देखते हैं उतना citation. So impact factor of 4.5. So UGC care journals impact factor of 4.5 equal to 100 citations or references. So for getting 100 citation or references, there should be minimum 22 publications per month. That means क्या देखा जा रहा है यहाँ? जर्नल की क्वालिटी. अभी जर्नल तो निकाल दिया पर कुछ पेपर ही कोई भेज नहीं रहे. So there should be some problem with the journal. So if you are not getting the paper, that means there is problem with the journal. So impact factor is equal to number of citations, references divided by number of articles published. Okay, next slide. Okay, then like your एक तो UGC platform है, दूसरा है IEEE. अगर engineers की बात करो तो IEEE Explorer is a very good platform for one-stop solution for your papers. And third is the Web of Index. Then is your Scopus. So Scopus क्या है? Scopus is the largest, most reputable abstract and citation database for the academic literature. So Scopus में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Your books can be kept on Scopus, journals, conference papers. So basically in the field of science, technology, medicine, social science, arts, humanities. So ये Scopus भी सब जगह valid है. Okay, next. Next slide, please. Yeah. So while you are doing this process, who are going to help you? Definitely आप पेपर लिख रहे, पेपर मेंटर के बिना तो पूरा होगा ही नहीं. Who is helping you? कोई ना कोई मेंटर होगा. So mentor has to tell कि ये पेपर में चलो ये पैराग्राफ डाल, ये मत डाल, या ये ज्यादा डाल. To put this in detail. So definitely in your paper, mentor should be there. Then Google search होना चाहिए. You require literature survey. Literature survey के लिए you have to do Google search. And then you come out with your literature review. All earlier work in your respective area. तो लिटरेचर रिव्यू किया मतलब क्या किया? लिटरेचर रिव्यू सब काम तुमने देखा है. ये फैकल्टी का XYZ फैकल्टी का पूरा काम तुमने देखा है. That is all earlier work done in your respective area. And finally references. Okay, next. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about Google Scholar. अभी Google Scholar PDU ये क्या है? ये sites है. So from where I can see my paper. So I can already see my paper on the Google Scholar. So Google Scholar पे मुझे पेपर दिखता है मतलब क्या? I am going on Google Scholar. I am getting the Google Scholar ID and I am putting and parking my paper there. जैसे हम ड्राइव में अपना इंफॉर्मेशन रखते हैं वैसे ही हम जाके Google Scholar पे अपना इंफॉर्मेशन रखते हैं. Now you can clearly see the citation index they have given you. So who is the person? Dr. Asawari Dudhwadkar. So Dr. Asawari Dudhwadkar is on ResearchGate. She is there on that academia.edu. She is there on Google Scholar, everywhere. Okay. So since which year? So that is mentioned since 2016. Or citation कितना हुआ? So there is a citation index. If you have 10 citations, ये पेपर के लिए 10 citation है, then उसका citation index H factor 1 होता है. Index of 1. अगर citation उससे ज़्यादा है, वो पेपर डिमांड में है and it is cited many times. So number of citations are between 11 to 20. So citations are total 12 from 2016, 7 है. So that is your citation number. Then title. अब ये पेपर किस चीज पे लिखा है? So that is title. So paper is written for near field communication in mobile phones. कब लिखा है? तो 10 citation दिखा रहा है and it is written in the year 2013. Authors कौन थे? So authors were A. Dudhwadkar, Dr. Asawari Dudhwadkar, A. Gore, and T. Nichai. So these are the authors. Next. Okay. So here you can see the entire thing. So Dr. Asawari Dudhwadkar, Assistant Professor Electronics, पूरा एड्रेस दिया है, टाइटल. So जितने भी पेपर्स है आपके पास वो सारे आप इधर डाल दो. You are not going to put your personal papers here. जो भी सबने क्लास में काम किया है वही काम हम यहाँ डालने वाले हैं. So that is your work. So you can see that there are number of papers here और एक साइड में कॉलम cited by. तो ये आपने पेपर में लिखा लेकिन किसने साइट किया, किसने देखा, because they might be interested in your paper, they might not be interested in your paper. तो किसने यूज किया उसको, किसने नहीं यूज किया, is a $1,000,000 question now. So those are the papers. So those are papers published by research scholar Dr. Asawari Dudhwadkar. So next slide. Okay. Now here are some papers from the international journals. So international journal paper on automobile and associated mechanism. एक review. तो ऑटोमोबाइल क्या होता है, उसका एसोसिएटेड मैकेनिज्म क्या है, उसका रिव्यू क्या हो सकता है. So what I did, I just contacted these teachers. So ये teachers said okay we can do. मालाड वाले टीचर्स हैं, so कर सकते हैं हम, ऐसा बोला है. So सेंसस इन ऑटोमोबाइल ये पेपर लिखा हुआ है. Where is it published? International Journal of Emerging Technologies and Innovative Research. यहाँ डाला है. Then there is a website for this. इसका website कौन सा है? So www.jetir.org. Then इसका नाम the students ask for ISSN number. So mostly all papers should be on Google Scholar. All should have ISSN number. Then ये कौन से volume में छप रहा है, कभी छप रहा है, so which volume, which issue, what is the page number, what date. So ये सब information एक पेपर के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी होता है. And finally you come. अभी मुझे मिलता कहाँ से information है? So I got the ISSN number. So even if you type ISSN number 2349-5162, तो मुझे immediately पेपर दिखने वाला है. पेपर by Dr. Asawari. Paper is in JETIR और इसका impact factor is 7.95. Impact factor 7.95 says it's a good quality paper because it is going in a good quality journal. चलो next. Yeah. So here there is a list of UGC care journals. So I have taken it from JJTU list. So there are around 14 journals. All are UGC care journals. So you can just we can explore any of the journals and try to publish your paper in this. So there are 14 journals depending on your type of paper. Engineering का paper है, technology का है. It will be put in any one of the journals. So UGC care का problem है, guideline ऐसा है कि plagiarism should not be more than 6%. So that is the thing of UGC care journal. Next slide. या प्लीज नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. या ओके. अभी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कैसे लिखते, तो मैंने टाइटल लिख दिया. सी अभी हमेशा मुझे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं स्टूडेंट से, वो डबल कॉलम फॉर्मेट कभी यूज करेंगे, सिंगल कॉलम फॉर्मेट कभी यूज करेंगे. तो जवाब मेरे पास ऐसा है, नॉर्मली अभी हियर आल्सो देयर आर 14 जर्नल, तो डबल कॉलम कहाँ यूज करें, सिंगल कॉलम कहाँ यूज करें. तो अभी क्या हुआ है ना, अभी सबको ना कंटेंट कंप्यूटर पे चाहिए. यू डू नॉट वांट दैट एक्चुअल कंटेंट ऑन दी हार्ड कॉपी. तो हार्ड कॉपी नहीं चाहिए. तो डबल कॉलम का मतलब क्या है, अगर हार्ड कॉपी नहीं चाहिए तुमको, व्हाई क्रश योर पेपर एंड मेक इट डबल कॉलम. सो नाउअडेज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इज सिंगल कॉलम पेपर चलता है. ओके. सो यू कैन सी देयर इज अ टाइटल ऑफ द पेपर. अभी दो तरह का पेपर होता है, एक रिव्यू का विच आई स्पोक अबाउट. ये रिव्यू पेपर है तो इसमें खाली इंफॉर्मेशन है, दैट इज योर रिव्यू पेपर. इफ इट इज अ प्रॉपर रिसर्च पेपर, इन दैट केस यू विल हैव रिजल्ट एंड डिस्कशन. सबसे पहले हमको क्या लिखना है, हमको पेपर में क्या बताना है, व्हाट इज द पेपर फॉर, हमको इसमें क्या बताना है. सो आई कंस्ट्रक्ट माय 1 पेज ऑफ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट. तो सबसे पहले जो हम करेंगे वो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करने वाले. स्लाइड चेंज प्लीज. या सो अभी मुझे पेपर देखना है, तो हाउ डू आई सी पेपर? मुझे पता चला जेईटी आर पे, तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज सीधा आई टाइप जेईटी आर। ओके, सो जेईटी आर में जितने भी पेपर्स है मुझे नजर आएंगे, या तो I go to their website, I just write a ISSN number and I write the details, ISSN number, volume 5, issue 9, तो मुझे डायरेक्टली वही पेपर मिल जाएगा, और आई हैव टू सर्च ऑन द ISSN number. Yeah, I next. Yeah. So this is sensor in automobile and associated mechanism और review paper. Author के नाम लिखे, डिपार्टमेंट का नाम लिखना है आपको, एंड देन यू आर राइटिंग विच कॉलेज यू बिलोंग टू. सो एक दो ऑथर का नाम कैसे लिखना है? वन might be the first author is not your teacher or mentor. You can keep your teacher or mentor as a second, because the journal वाले क्या करते हैं ना, सभी रेफरेंस फर्स्ट ऑथर से करते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल टेल सिद्धांत, तू फर्स्ट ऑथर रहे, सब रेफरेंसेस वो सब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. ओके, यू हैव टू प्रोसेस इट. सम जर्नल्स विल आस्क यू फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, व्हाट इज योर डोमेन एरिया, थोड़ा बायोडाटा जैसा मांगते हैं, अगर मांगते हैं तो देने का, डिपेंडिंग ऑन which journal you are in. So ideally author number 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is their role? So author number 1 is assistant professor, author number 2 student है, वो सब बताने का है. Which department do they belong? Which college do they belong? So Vivekanand Education Society Institute of Technology I belong, तो वो लिखा है. Next slide. Yeah. अभी पेपर दिखेगा कैसे? सो पेपर दिखने वाला है कैसा, ये पेपर पब्लिश कहाँ हुआ है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है, बिकॉज देर आर नो एज सच गाइडलाइंस कैसे लिखने का है. तो सेंसर्स इन ऑटोमोबाइल एंड एसोसिएटेड मैकेनिज्म रिव्यू आया कहाँ है? जेईटी आर सितंबर 18. और इशू तुमको चाहिए हार्ड कॉपी, तो लो, यू जस्ट वांट सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड गो, तो वो भी पॉसिबल है. सो दैट इज योर जेईटी आर पेपर. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Yeah. So here, as I said, you क्या है वो, JJTU has tie up with AFB, Academy of Benchmarkers, और उन्होंने क्या किया है, 14 यूजीसी केयर जर्नल के साथ टाई अप किया है. So this is the list of the UGC care journals where JJTU and AFB has a tie. Okay, next. So you have 3 PPTs of those slides of those UGC care list only. So this is the list, additional list. Come again, next. So some are Scopus Index. So JJT care journals tie up with UGC and Benchmarkers Academy. So these are the number of journals where students can publish papers. Next. Okay. So JJTU has its own review committee consisting of these 4 people. So Madhu Gupta madam, Anju Singh madam, Swati Desai and Swapnil Kale. ये JJTU का खुद का review committee है. And then there will be a review committee from the associates Academy of Benchmarkers. तो Academy of Benchmarkers से कौन सा review committee है देखो. You have Dr. Aparna Venkatesh as a director, Zara D, it is Oregon USA, so वो Zara D है. Then there is Jonathan Dias, Dr. Riyas Passe, Dr. Lakshman Parab, Dr. Avdut Parab, and Dr. Asavari Dudhwankar. So these are the set of lawyers. So questions if any, Academy of Benchmarking, यहाँ पेपर भेजना किसको है? Who wants to send paper, you have to send it to email mentioned by Academy of Benchmarking. So ये email पे उनका पेपर पहुंचना चाहिए. Normally what happens in UGC care में जो free होता है, there are 2 authors are free, rest all are chargeable. So only 2 authors will be free. So either you are there and your guide is there, or 2 students are there. कोई भी 2 जन ही free रहेंगे. As per our this paper guidelines, only 2 persons are free. और तीसरा पर्सन को चाहिए तो he has to pay for the certificate. चौथा पर्सन को चाहिए he has to pay for the certificate. JJT University राजस्थान से भी लोग हैं. There is Dr. Madhu Gupta, she is the registrar of JJT University. तो उनका somebody has switched mobile on and some girl is crying. Small girl is crying.
Kindly keep yourself on mute.
Yeah, it's okay. Chalo, no problem. थोड़ा नींद आ रहा था, so this crying has helped me actually. Yeah, so I'm towards the end of it. So JJT University Rajasthan से जो website दिया हुआ है, you visit our JJT University site. There is Dr. Swapnil Kale, the enthusiastic, charming, handsome doctor. So I girls से ऐसे ही फालतू में उसको फोन कर करके परेशान कर रहे, तो भाई मत करो भाई उसको. विवेकानंद की गर्ल्स है ना, स्वप्निल को प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रही है. सो गर्ल्स, स्वप्निल काले इज माय स्टूडेंट एंड टुमारो पोस्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस विल रॉक. पर अभी उसको परेशान मत करो यार, मुझे करो, मैं हूँ, मैं जिंदा हूँ. So because Swapnil is getting so many calls from all the girls, JJTU globally, he is a global hero icon now. तो ठीक है, वो छोड़ो उसको, बाबा उसको
Yes,
छोड़ो.
madam. Yes, madam.
यस यस सर. तो
Yes.
स्वप्निल को छोड़ो. अभी टास्क मेरा है कि स्वप्निल की शादी करानी है, तो ये सब दूर हो जाएंगे पंखे आजू बाजू से.
Okay,
Right.
we'll have a separate conference for that.
Yes, Swapnil, we are doing it tomorrow.
Okay.
ठीक है. और
That
स्वप्निल
was
मुझे
fantastic.
2017 से बता रहा है कि he is getting married and I am like a fool, I am getting alliances for him. Anyways, चलो, but he is the most eligible bachelor in JJT now for it. Yeah. So चलो कल चाय पे बातें हो जाएंगी फिलहाल.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the people from JJT University. Talk to them. स्वप्निल को फिलहाल थोड़ा बाजू में रखो, girls. Yeah. So I am there from Vivekanand. So I am your center head and I am the JJT tie-up. मैं खुद राजस्थान की बेटी हूँ. मैं 6 साल वहाँ बिताए मैंने, मधु मैडम के साथ, अंजू मैडम के साथ, टिबरेवाला सर के साथ. तो मैं भी उनकी बेटी हूँ, गणिकम्मा. So I end my presentation here. I think it's the end of it. So thank you one and all. And thank you especially Swapnil for getting me here on board and giving me an opportunity to do something for my university. So मैं राजस्थान की बेटी हूँ, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं यहाँ आज ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे हूँ. And I also thank the Academy for benchmarking to have me here for this presentation. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Savri.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was really fine. Okay, a quick point to note. All those attendees who would like to newly enroll into this